Okay, so today I'm using a 30 by 24 inch deep edge canvas. And I'm using these different tones. So I've got a grey, a warm grey, I've got a yellow, I've got an iridescent blue-green and an iridescent gold. And then I've also got a black with my Australian floetrol in to create the cells, and then a titanium white for the base. So I'm basically going to do a swipe on this large canvas. I have tested out my canvas, so you see the smaller one there. I've just tried some different techniques, and that's what I tend to do before I do a big canvas like this. So let's see what we can create. Okay, so here we go. It took a lot of work and I changed my mind with different things. But what I did was I never gave up and I stepped back, looked at the composition, looked at the patterns, and that's why I incorporated a balloon so I could do some balloon dips. I did more of a swipe, so I recovered my canvas and swiped over. And I'm so pleased that I did, because this design is, for me, absolutely stunning, and there's so many details in there that I'm so happy with how this piece turned out. This wasn't necessarily in my mind right at the beginning. I'm going to show you a dried version. I've hung it on my own wall actually, because I'm so proud of this. So I'm going to do some close-ups now just so you can see some of the detail, and I will leave you with some photos of the detail itself. But by using that balloon and doing dips and doing some swipes, and I tilted a little bit as well, it was because I was just not happy as I was going along with what I was creating. So if ever you experience that, don't forget, don't always just swipe all your paint off the canvas and start again. You can really work it, and I feel that this piece really illustrates not giving up and just thinking about what you want the look to kind of appeal to and what you want to create from the actual design. So I really like this balance. I'm going to call this one Sandy Shores. I don't always call them something, but I really love the blues and the yellows, and that represents for me the sand and the sea. A real happy summery piece. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I really hope you like it. So let me know what you think, guys, in the comments below. Have a great week and take care. Bye.